is something that every smart property investor understands, and that is the fact that the earlier you enter into a development, the more room there is for the value of your investment to grow. This is VESTO Court, and today we are casting the ground floor slab. That means the foundation is being concluded. The structure is beginning to rise. Here is what makes this stage particularly important for investors. As construction progresses, the opportunity to enter at this level becomes very limited. As VESTO Court moves from foundation to structure to completion, the price naturally moves along with the progress. So yes, there is a new price ahead. VESTO Court isn't waiting to become valuable. We are building the value right now. If you have been watching VESTO Court, this is your sign to take action. So send us a DM now or give us a call to reserve one or multiple units in the luxury that pays you back. VESTO Court. Thank you.